my YouTube fam? It's your girl Crystal, aka Curly Chris. And guys, in today's video, we are doing a full wash day routine for dry, damaged hair, okay? So this entire wash day routine is catered to detox and soothe dry, damaged hair, even hair that may be brittle. All those things we are talking about in today's video. So before we go ahead and get into those details, if you are not already part of the Curly Chris family, make sure you do one thing for your girl, and that is to smash that button down below, okay? Smash that button down below. So let's go ahead and hop into today's video. So today is a full wash day from washing to styling. Like I was saying earlier, this wash day is catered to those who have dry, brittle, damaged hair that needs a nice detox, a nice reboost, a nice soothe. This wash day is catered for you. So the products that we are using today are all by ORS. You guys already know I've been talking and raving about these ORS products that recently came out, and ORS is sponsoring your girl's video today. So shout out to you guys for sponsoring your girl's video. I truly do appreciate it. So ORS fam has come out with a ORS hair repair line, and that line is all about scalp rescuing, detoxing, soothing, moisturizing, balancing. Now let me tell you guys something. I'm not just saying this because this video is sponsored. If you are new here, watch some of my previous videos. I have mentioned this line on my channel multiple times without it being sponsored. I really do enjoy this line, okay? And I really do feel like everything it claims to do, it really does do. So this is what the ORS hair repair line is looking like. It has lots and lots of products that we're going to be getting all into, but first we're going to go ahead and wash our hair. So to wash my hair, I am going to be using the Scalp Rescuing Detox Shampoo, sulfate free, and it detoxifies, soothes, moisturizes, and balances. And then to deep condition, I am going to be using the ORS Hair Repair Scalp Rescuing Detox Mask. And this one does the exact same things as well. And y'all, let me just show you guys how much I actually use this. Like, it is empty. I literally probably would be able to do like half a section deep condition with the rest of this. And I'm gonna have to switch over to my full one. But y'all, I love these products. I'm gonna be doing a voiceover while I am washing my hair, so I'll be telling you guys more so why I really do enjoy these products. And we'll also be getting more into the details of the ingredients as well. So let's go ahead and hop right into the shower. Alright fam, so we are starting with the shampoo. I love this thing. Okay, so it is the one that we already talked about, the detox shampoo, and the consistency of this one is just like a normal shampoo. It does have a more of a grayish tint to it. The thing I really do like about this shampoo is that it really does a good job of cleaning without stripping. Like, does not strip my hair at all, makes my hair feel really moisturized while shampooing. My scalp feels so free. Like, after you shampoo with this, your scalp just feels amazing. And also it makes my curls pop, which I love about it because it is a detox shampoo. So a product that claims to detox should also make your curls pop. That's like the Indian clay mask. Those type of things make your curls pop. So I shampooed my hair twice. And this is what my hair looks like afterwards, and my scalp feels amazing. So I'm going to go in with the mask. So let's talk ingredients real quick as well. So both the shampoo and the conditioner has mineral rich rose clay in it, and that is also combined with a detoxifying green tea and activated charcoal, and also natural micro exfoliators to help remove buildup and impurities without stripping the hair of its natural oils, which you guys know I love. And then it also has active aloe, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid, and also yogurt derived probiotics, and those work to provide your hair with long lasting moisture. We already know about the hyaluronic acid, okay, and the moisture that it brings, and it also helps to soothe and balance the scalp irritation. And if that wasn't enough, it also has PE15 biocomplex, which contains biotin, plant stem cells, peptides, and y'all already know biotin helps with hair growth and strength as well. So look y'all, these products have amazing ingredients, and one of the things that this mask speaks about doing is applying it directly to your scalp to give you more of that fresh, clean feeling. So So you should apply this directly to your scalp whenever you are finished applying it to your entire head, and that's going to allow your scalp to receive all the benefits of these bomb ingredients. So I allowed this to sit on my hair for 30 minutes with heat, and then I rinse it out with warm water. And y'all, look at my curls, they are popping. Look at that definition. Nice detox curls. My hair feels so good. It looks amazing as well. Now I'm going to go in with the moisture cream and use this as a leave-in conditioner. So this is a cream, but it's also used as a leave-in, and the consistency of it is very, very creamy, very, very like moisturizing. So I really did enjoy this as my leave-in. And then we're going to get into which products I'm going to be using for styling. So let's go ahead and get into the styling process, which we're going to do right now. Alright y'all, so I have the leave-in applied, the moisture cream, and y'all, my hair feels so good. Y'all, my scalp, OMG, my scalp feels so amazing. So what I'm going to go in next with is the Scalp Rescuing Detox and Renew Concentrate. So this concentrate is filled with rose clay and active aloe to detoxify the scalp from clogging and also with buildup. And it also helps to calm irritation, helps to protect against dryness, and it promotes an environment for your hair to thrive. So I really do want to use this on my hair right now. This can be used as a pre-poo, like not an actual pre-poo, but like to put on your scalp before you shampoo, or if you could put it on your scalp and leave it in. I'm going to go ahead and just apply it to mine to leave it in. And once again, this is really, really good for dry, damaged hair because it's going to help revitalize your scalp and also remove any impurities and also help with dryness and breakage while you're wearing your styles. So let's go ahead and apply this directly to my scalp. As far as smell goes, it smells just like the rest of the line, like a minty, like a sweet mint smell. Alright, so since we already have the, ooh y'all, my scalp is like, has that like really, really cool feeling as well. I love the cooling sensation I get from these products. Like, I really, really do love it, y'all. So for our styler, we're going to be using the anti-breakage conditioning cream. It has coconut oil and baobab in it. And then to seal, we're going to be using the coconut oil and baobab vital oils for dry, damaged hair and scalp. Alright, so let's go ahead and apply the cream. Ooh. Y'all, this cream feels good. Ooh, woo. Oh, shit. Y'all, this cream feels so good. So then I'm going to go in with the oil and seal that on in. Sealing all that moisture. Then I'm going to take my detangling brush, or my defining brush I should say, because I already detangled in the shower. Oops. And then we're going to go ahead and twist this on up. Y'all, this literally feels so good on my hair. Y'all, my scalp feels so free and so airy. Listen, I really, really, really do recommend this line for anyone who is dealing with excessive dryness in their hair and even in their scalp, a lot of irritation. This line really, really does a great job with making your scalp like feel fresh, rejuvenated, soothing, like literally every single product. And I'm not even kidding when I say that, y'all. So here's a close-up for you guys. So I'm going in with the cream once again, and y'all, I love the texture of this cream. Go ahead and thoroughly applying that to this section. This cream feels really, really good, guys. Like, it really does a great job with giving me moisture. Then I'm going to seal that in with the oil combination, the Vital Oils product, and then go ahead and twist like we normally do. Nothing new or anything. And I also want to show you guys just how much my curls pop. Like, yes, nice defined curls prior to twisting, minimal frizz. We all know that that's going to make for a great twist out in the end. My hair also felt really, really good when I twisted using these products. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish my head, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing in the front. So in the front, I decided to do a flat twist on each side just to zhuzh it up a little bit, because we always do normal twist outs. So I wanted to be a little bit more fancy, so I went ahead and did a flat twist on each side of my head, and I also did a side part. so here is the final look with all the twists installed. I love the flat twist on each side. I feel like that's a nice little extra touch, a little razzle-dazzle, okay? So this is what the twists are looking like, guys. So juicy. Like when I tell y'all the amount of shine my hair had with this oil and these creams, like look at how just moisturized and all that's going to dry, nice and just shiny. The twists are most definitely juicy. Alright fam, so it's the next day and my hair actually dried in one day. As you guys can see, I do have a little bit of shrinkage, but it's not like anything serious, you know. It's the typical, the usual. I really do love how the front came out. I think those parts are super cute. I love the two flat twists in the front. The edges slayed, okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and start the takedown. So I zoomed in a little bit for the takedown so we can be like up close and personal. So I'm gonna go and put some of the oil on my hands just because you guys know we do not do frizz over here. And oil helps to combat frizz and a smoother takedown. So let's start on this side. I have a really good feeling about this, y'all. Like my hair looks so shiny. Ooh. Definition looking good. Like y'all, look at this. Look at that definition. Yes. And y'all, my hair and my scalp feels so doggone fresh and just like clean. Like it feels so good. And to say like my hair was never stripped nowhere throughout this process for this wash day, I am like thoroughly impressed. But I expected this because like I keep telling y'all, I love these products. Alright, so this is what this side's looking like. Yes. Let's go ahead and just separate a little bit on this side just so we can see what it's looking like. Oh y'all, look how it's just falling apart. Like as I'm separating, the hair is just like telling me where it wants to naturally separate, which is of course a good sign of good detangling. And also smooth product application. So I'm going to go separate the rest off camera and then we're going to come back and look at the final look. I'm so excited for this look. I feel like it's going to be so popping. Alright, I'll be right back. Bam! Y'all, do y'all see this? These results though. Like, I feel like a glazed chocolate donut. Like, yes, the shine, the volume, the sleekness, everything about this is hitting, is on point. I am loving it. Do you hear me? Okay, like y'all, I love the little flat twist I did in the front. I feel like it added a nice twist to the style. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. I also want to talk about these products real quick one more time. The shampoo and the mask. I highly recommend y'all. Like I said, it's my absolute favorite. I love those two. Y'all, they have hyaluronic acid in them products, okay? Hyaluronic acid. Y'all thought it was just for the skin, to make the skin glow? The hair, honey, for the moisture, okay? Skin moisturize, hair moisturize, one-on-one meet. Do you hear me? Okay, that's what we need in life, period. Also, y'all, activated charcoal, all kind of good ingredients in these products. Now let's get on to the moisture cream, which I use as a leave-in. Most definitely love how I use a thicker leave-in for this wash day. If you do have dry, damaged, kind of brittle hair, this line is most definitely for you to detox your hair whenever you wash it, to give it a nice soothing, moisturizing, and also balances your hair as well. That's why I really wanted to do this video today, because a lot of you guys, just from doing my consultations, also I see a lot of people kind of have like the same issue with dryness and breakage and brittleness, and this line is ideally for you, okay? From the leave-in conditioner to the shampoo, the mask, even the styling creams that I use, the conditioning cream, I really love the thickness of this and also the creaminess of it as well. And my hair is very moisturized, which I also love. And then of course you have to seal it all in with the oil. Okay, we cannot forget about the oil. And then I also really enjoyed the scalp concentrate. I love this product, y'all. My scalp was tingling and everything. And there's also one last product that I did not mention in today's video because I did not use heat on my hair, and that is the Restore and Heat Protect Multi-Benefit Serum. So there is a serum to apply to your hair prior to heat styling that will protect your hair, that comes with this line as well. So if you are a heat styler, this will also be good to protect your hair from damage, from breakage, from it being dry and brittle while you are heat styling. So all in all, I love my babies, okay? These are my babies, y'all. Like, this line is for me. I love. Can't even get them all in the screen, but I'm gonna try. Oh, there we go. And I'm still missing one, but oh well. Oh wait, see, for what I'm about to say right now is why you should always be watching to the end of the video. Just because I love these products so much, and I love how my hair came out so much, I am going to be giving away, okay? Let's do a giveaway. Let's do it big real quick. Let's do a giveaway with this video as well, okay? So what I want you guys to do right now is to go to the ORS Hair Repair Instagram page. Follow that page, okay? Make sure you're following. Make sure you're following me for sure. That's most definitely big deal. Subscribe to your girl's channel. That's most definitely a fact as well. And then lastly, just comment down below why you think these products will be great for your hair. That's it. So that's it, y'all. Those 4 simple rules. Follow the ORS Hair Repair Instagram page. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel, and then also comment down below why these products would be great for you. That's it. Go ahead and do that. I will be picking someone to win this giveaway. I'm so excited. I want you guys to try these products as well. And if you have not already gotten these products, there is also a $500 giveaway going on with ORS besides from the one I just now mentioned. Okay, so a whole lot of stuff to win right now. Okay, all you have to do is go out to your Walgreens, purchase these products, swap it out with your current shampoo, post it on your Instagram page with a photo or video, hashtag HR shampoo swap, and you can win $500, okay? Y'all, they're picking 3 winners. It's not too late to do that. Go do that right now. I'll also leave those instructions in my description box down below. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Go ahead, go to your Walgreens right now, get these products, go ahead and enter my giveaway as well. Comment down below if you guys enjoyed this style and this video. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Peace.